All right, this is what is this theory? Okay, Haley Liu says thoughts on the theory that Max is Lumberjax.
No way.
Lumberjax
No.
is Lumberjax.
Yeah.
Max,
Lumberjax is
Max.
Lumberjax.
But this is something that we were going to talk about later as well. Is that one of the potential Nightmare Time stories that Matt and I that we wanted to do? We'll see if we ever get around to it. Was called Max versus the Axe, and it was like, because really the Nerdy Prudes focused stories are inspired by slashers. So Nerdy Prudes Must Die is very is like our version of Nightmare on Elm Street. Abstinence Camp is like our version of Friday the 13th. And there is a movie called Freddy vs. Jason. So we were going like, okay, well, we'll do our version of Freddy vs. Jason. It'll be Max versus the Axe. Both of them revere or are in love with Grace in a certain way. So it was a whole story about they needed, for some
They're
reason,
fighting. Yes, they're fighting for Grace's heart, but also just they're after a new crop of kids that are just between a rock and a hard place, because they're like, we're nerds and Max is gonna kill us. So they're like, we need to like get laid so we're not nerds anymore. But if they go too far in that direction, then Lumberjax will
get
them.
them. Yeah. So it was that whole idea of what do you do? And the answer is get the two monsters to fight each other.
Yeah.
You know? And it's like, it's the unstoppable force versus the immovable object. Lumberjax versus Max Jaegerman. So
yeah. And there was gonna be a thing about like how Max is a ghost, so you can't touch him, but Lumberjax can. Because he's just so powerful.
So powerful. He's
the
so
most
strong.
powerful.
He can grab a ghost, you know?